Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide community awards on your Steam profile. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your username displayed there. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several profile-related options. From this menu, select View My Profile. This will take you to your public Steam profile page where you can see how other users view your gaming activity, achievements, and awards. Now that you're on your profile page, look at the right panel of the screen. You'll notice an Edit Profile button located there. Click on this button to enter the profile customization area. This is where Steam allows you to modify various aspects of how your profile appears to others, including your display name, avatar, background, and privacy settings. The Edit Profile section gives you control over what information and achievements you want to share publicly. Once you're in the Edit Profile section, scroll down through the available options until you find the setting labeled Hide Community Awards on my profile. This particular setting controls the visibility of any community awards you've received from other Steam users. Community awards are badges and recognition that other players can give you for your contributions, helpful reviews, or impressive game collections. While some users enjoy displaying these awards as a mark of their community involvement, others prefer a cleaner, more minimalist profile appearance. When you locate this option, you'll see a checkbox beside it. Check this box to enable the privacy setting. By checking this box, you're instructing Steam to hide all community awards from your public profile view. This means that while you'll still receive and own these awards, they won't be visible to other users who visit your profile. After you've checked the box, click Save to apply your changes. Steam will process your preferences and update your profile accordingly. Your community awards are now hidden from public view, giving your profile a more streamlined appearance. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your community awards on Steam, customizing your profile to match your preferred level of privacy. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.